ChatGPT Codex is OpenAI's coding agent, built to work inside projects, understand files, follow instructions, and help complete tasks. While it is strongest for coding and project-based work, it can also support broader workflows when it has the right files, tools, and permissions. So first, what is Codex? Codex is a tool that can help everyday people turn repeated computer tasks into clear, workable processes. Instead of only giving you advice, Codex can work inside selected folders, read files, organize information, create outputs, and help connect steps across different tools. That means it can help with tasks like sorting documents, extracting details from PDFs, creating spreadsheets, cleaning up folders, preparing reports, building simple websites, and setting up repeatable workflows. For everyday users, the real value is automation. If you do the same task over and over, Codex can help you map it, run it, and improve it. The simple way to think about it is this. ChatGPT can tell you what to do. Codex can help you get the work done. Regular ChatGPT is great for thinking, drafting, and explaining. Codex goes further because it works inside a project environment. It can use files and folders, understand project context, run tasks, create outputs, and, where available, connect with plugins, skills, and automations. ChatGPT helps with the thinking. Codex helps move the work forward. There are a few ways to use Codex, including the Codex app, an IDE extension, the CLI or Codex Cloud. The basic setup is to sign in, choose where Codex will work, then create or select a project. A project is the workspace Codex uses to understand the files and complete the task. Start with one project folder and keep everything for that task inside it. Permissions are one of the most important parts of using Codex. Because Codex can take action, you need to decide how much access you want to give it. The first option is limited project access. This means Codex only works inside the selected folder or project area. The second option is approval-based access. This means Codex will ask before doing certain actions, such as editing files, running commands, accessing the internet, or opening tools. This is usually the best balance for most people. The third option is broader access. That can be powerful, but it also gives Codex more room to act. If you are new to Codex, start with a limited project and approval-based actions until you understand how it works. Codex also gives you settings that affect how it works. The model powers the task. The reasoning effort controls how deeply Codex works through complex problems. The speed can affect how quickly it moves. Credits or usage limits depend on your plan and the type of task you run. For most tasks, a strong model with high reasoning is a good starting point. But bigger tasks, faster settings, and more complex workflows can use more credits. So the better your prompt is, the less time and usage you are likely to waste. The basic Codex workflow is simple. Step 1. Create or select a project. Step 2. Add or choose the files Codex needs. Step 3. Write a clear prompt. Step 4. Tell Codex exactly what output you want. Step 5. Review the steps Codex creates. Step 6. Approve actions if required. Step 7. Open or review the final output. This is where Codex becomes useful. You are not just asking it to explain what to do. You are giving it a task, a workspace, and a final outcome. The biggest tip is to avoid vague instructions. Instead of saying, sort these receipts, give Codex the full task. For example, read all receipt images in this folder. Extract the vendor name, date, total amount, and likely category. Create an Excel spreadsheet and a dashboard showing spending by category. That prompt is stronger because it tells Codex 3 important things: what to use, what to do, and what to create at the end. The clearer your instructions are, the better the result will be. Clear instructions lead to better outputs. When your prompt is specific, Codex has less guessing to do. It knows what files to use, what information to extract, what format to create, and what the final result should look like. That means fewer retries, less wasted time, and better use of credits. A good Codex prompt usually includes the task, the source files or folder, the information to look for, the final output format, and any formatting rules. So instead of only saying what you want generally, be specific about the finished product. That is how you get stronger results. The big takeaway is this: Codex is built to help get work done. It is strongest as a coding and project-based agent, but it can also support broader workflows when it has the right files, tools, and permissions. It can help organize, extract, create, automate, and build. The best way to start is simple. Pick one task, create one project, add the files Codex needs, write one clear prompt, ask for one clear output. Once you understand that workflow, you can start combining tasks and building more powerful processes. Codex is not just about getting an answer, it is about moving work forward. If you need more simple ways to understand what's available to everyday people, then I look forward to the next video explainer.